Good afternoon, traders. It is Thursday, November 20th, 2014, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had a good day today. Hey, finally, we had a really good day today. You know, we had about $17,000 in open trade equity yesterday on the close, and you know, it's nice to have that much in open trade, but the way things have been going for us, you know, what we have in open trade, by the time we get out of it, it stinks. And I think we had like 5 days in a row of negative closed out trades. They weren't big negatives, but still they were negatives, and you know, you start getting that many lined up, it can really add up. But anyway, that $17,000 pretty much held. By the time we got out of those trades, we had a positive $15,000 closed out and in the bank, and that really felt good. This morning, the Dow did a bull spike right at the beginning of the day, and was building the rest of the day very nicely, and it really kept everything very stable. We didn't have any of this dreaded decline of our profits that starts good at the beginning of the day and then it just gets worse and worse and worse. We didn't see that today. Everything held, and you know, to sweeten the pie just a little, we are actually carrying positive 2,200 going into tomorrow. So everything is green today, really looks good. The Dow ended up closing up 33 points. That's not a record high, but it's still very strong and looking positive. Anyway, let's take a look at the charts. Okay, here we got the Dow here again, and you can see here 3 days ago or 2 days ago, I guess, the Dow made all-time record intraday high, and then yesterday was it started out low, came back, and kind of settled basically neutral. But today, this thing really sold off hard at the beginning of the day, and I'm definitely calling that a bull spike down there, because the buyers came in and just bid it up all day long, and we ended up closing up 33 points. This is a very bullish configuration. I'm going to go out and on the limb say we will definitely have an up day tomorrow. Of course, don't bet the family ranch on that, because as you know, I'm frequently wrong. I'm trying to predict the Dow, but this certainly looks very bullish to me, and I definitely think this thing is going to go higher, and we will definitely take out those highs from 2 or 3 days ago. I'll show you just a couple charts here. The first one here, yeah, I'm showing this to you mainly because it's a new market. It's STRP, which is straight path, and we had, I think, one little loss in this, but it was very small. But this was a good trade today. This was our second trade in straight path. We got into this yesterday. You know, it really never did anything to make us too uncomfortable, except the close. And it sold off real hard on the close, and I don't like to see that. But it comes in today and it really recovered from this, and we took out nearly $3,000 in straight path. So that's looking very nice for us right now. I mean, you know, and I like this stock definitely. And then I have to show you, even though I showed you this yesterday, got to show you the final results in China Distant Education Holdings, otherwise known as DL. And we had bought this 2 days ago And it was, I mean, this is just such a beautiful trade. We got into this when it, you know, at least now this looks really flat. So we come in here and China Distance Education Holdings gains about 30% when we're already long. I mean, this is just beautiful. And because of this, of course, we go into a third day. Well, it looked like it was going to challenge these highs over here, and then it just kind of sold off a little, but nothing very serious. And when we got out of this, we still had nearly $12,000 in profit. So that's just a beautiful trade. Absolutely a beautiful trade, and boy, I tell you, we needed it. So obviously that contributed to our $15,000 close-out trades we took today. Very nice. Anyway, Trader Bob is happy. I think these markets are looking pretty good now. I'm not nearly as pessimistic as before, and I think things are definitely moving our way now. Anyway, that's the way it was. I'm signing out now. I'll see you tomorrow on Friday.